Hi lovelies, and welcome back again to the channel. It's been a while here, and in today's video I'm gonna be making something I've made several times, but this time around I'm gonna be making it on my daughter's hair. It's called the Miracle Crochet, and we're gonna be using hair from Luvme. First, I'm gonna be preparing the hair. I applied some hair conditioner, Shea Moisture hair conditioner, added some hair butter, and here I'm just going to be sectioning it. Like I usually say, for you to get a very neat section, you want to make sure you actually have a very good foundation, because the foundation of a Miracle Crochet is you having a very good braided hair. So that is what I'm doing here. Because she's a child, I'm not gonna do little sections. I'm just doing like bigger sections so we can be out of here in no time, lovelies. And if you have a natural hair, you don't have to like worry about the crochet, because it's just gonna blend when you need to tuck in the tip of your hair. We're gonna get to that section where I'm just gonna tuck in the tip of that hair, and with natural hair it just naturally blends in. But if you have a relaxed hair, you might need to like find a way of keeping that crochet, the first one at the tip, you know, secured. But with the natural hair, you don't have to worry because it just naturally blends. So this is me gradually sectioning Prettyimisi's hair, and that hair is very thick. I'm just like combing it out. It took us like about 30 to 45 minutes to get the whole hair sectioned out and braided, and before we proceeded to, you know, putting in the crochet. All right, lovelies, we're done sectioning and braiding the natural hair, and we're gonna proceed to installing the crochet. Here I am using Luvme 80 inches Burmese micro loop human hair crochet. I have used this hair like one time from that box, and this is the remaining, you know, hair in that box. The related video is gonna be linked to this video, so go ahead and watch that video if you need more information. So here, starting with the tip, I installed one crochet, and like I said earlier on, I'm just gonna braid in the tip so it doesn't peek out. All you just have to do is keep braiding it until you no longer see the natural hair. And with natural hair, you don't have to worry about it not staying, it just naturally stays. But with conditioned hair, you might have to maybe find something to secure the tip, or you just leave it like that. So, and then the next one is to just insert another crochet about few centimeters away from the first one, and then because she's a child, I just kind of like loop it once and just let it flow on both sides. And the last one is to put in another extension, also loop it through and knot it one time, and that's it. Just 3 crochet extensions. And yeah, we're gonna keep repeating the same thing across the whole hair. This style is very simple, and as you can see, it is gradually filling up and looking so beautiful. It is one beautiful style I love doing so much. It is cute, it is awesome, and you don't need too many things. You just need the crochet hair, your crochet, and your hair braided, and that is it. It fits almost every face. And yeah, my daughter is gonna be looking so beautiful. We actually made this style for her graduation coming up soon, and she wanted something that would complement her dress for her graduation. I was like, I'm actually thinking of a style that will look so beautiful. So I showed her my own hairstyle, and she was like, I love this style. So that is it, everyone. We are done making this hair. Look at that hair. Look at how gorgeous it looks, even on a 6-year-old. It looks so beautiful. Next, we're going to be applying Ghanaian Fruities hair mousse. That hair mousse is so thick and beautiful, and that's it. I'm just gonna apply that mousse just to keep the flyaways. And right now the texture is cute, the texture is awesome. It is very light and hairy. It is not heavy on a child, and it's just so simple. And looking at those sections, they look big and not something that will bother her. And I actually wanted the hair left, you know, long, but then she was like, no mommy, I want it cut. So I went ahead and had it cut like about, I took about 1 inch away so we can be able to style it however we want it. I've left the link of this hair on the video description. Thank you so much for watching. Until we see you again next time.